Well, you may have seen it. A tornado touched down in Bakersfield last night. And while it may seem like a rare occurrence, 17's Karen Waugh is here to explain why it's not. Karen?
Well, the tornado hit Bakersfield around 5 last night, just northeast of Cottonwood and Planz roads. Then it proceeded to move southwest.
A lot of reports of a funnel cloud.
Video after video. Viewers asked us, what is this? When we asked the National Weather Service, they made the trip from Hanford to Bakersfield to investigate.
The tornado touched down basically in an open field. It was on the ground for 300 yards. It had wind speeds of 65 miles per hour.
It was the 7th confirmed tornado in the Central Valley this year. For the past 2 weeks, tornadoes in more than 20 states have dominated weather coverage. But those states were primarily in the Midwest. How did one get to Bakersfield?
And the tornado was really influenced by the mountains in the higher elevations.
It started with a thunderstorm, the NWS said, and the mountains caused the thunderstorm to rotate.
And they also saw debris and dust being thrown about from that funnel, which to us is definitely a tornado.
And they said it's not as uncommon in Central California as you may think.
That's not very uncommon around here for the mountains to have the effect on winds with height and with speed that it causes a thunderstorm to rotate and potentially create a funnel cloud, or even in this case a tornado.
Now, fortunately, there were no damage or injuries reported. And as always, if you have any photos or videos of weather, both good and bad, send it to us at 17news@kget.com. I'm Karen Waugh, 17 News.
All right, Karen, thank you.